Have you heard about Google's Core Web Vitals? What is Core Web Vitals? It's Google Search Console's new way of measuring a web page's user experience. The better the UX, the more likely you are to rank on Google. So, how is it different from the old PageSpeed Insights? For PageSpeed Insights, Google crawls your page themselves and uses software to develop a report. But Core Web Vitals only measures the experience of real-world users. This makes it super accurate and a great tool for measuring the web page performance. What does Google mean by good user experience? Google takes three things to account when considering UX: load time, interactivity, and the visual stability. The three Core Web Vital metrics measure these user experience indicators. Page load time is analyzed using the Largest Contentful Paint or LCP metric value. Interactivity can be measured using the first input delay or FID metrics. Visual stability is measured using Cumulative Layout Shift, the CLS metrics. Largest Contentful Paint is the time for largest content element on the screen to become visible to a user. It indicates the time to render the main content of the page on screen. For a good LCP score, you might want to keep this time under 2.5 seconds. First input delay measures the time from when a user first interacts with a web page to the time when the page is actually able to respond to that interaction. Cumulative Layout Shift is a web user experience metric that measures how often users experience unexpected layout shifts. An unexpected layout shift is registered when content in a web page moves around without the user interaction or input. The CLS score is determined by the magnitude of layout shift. To find the Core Web Vitals report, go to Google Search Console. Look at the left-hand sidebar. Under Enhancements, you can find the Core Web Vitals report. Core Web Vitals report shows the user experience in both mobile and desktop devices. We'll see two-line graphs, one for mobile, and the other for desktop traffic. But, you need enough traffic from either platform for Google to generate the graphs. You can find out the LCP, FID or CLS errors of your website inside the Core Web Vital report.